Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. Sam here. So glad you guys are joining me for a new video. In today's video, I wanted to share a plan with me. We're going to be doing February's layout. I got my iced coffee. I also got my water. This is your reminder to stay hydrated. Let's go ahead and dive in and get this thing started. If you guys have not watched my January spread plan with me, I will attach a card up top. Watch that after you watch this one, of course. So here's the February layout. I've already added the February sticker and then also the number of days, if that makes sense. And I was just kind of messing with some washi tape early on. Don't mind the dog hair, you guys are gonna see a lot of it in this video. If you buy anything for a planner, I would definitely say get some washi tape. It's literally the easiest thing that you can decorate with, that you can add a touch of whatever your style is. And here I'm using just some stickers. I'm also going to be using some little bits from my Valentine's collection, like all of my scraps that I have over the year. In this little box I have like purple spooky little bits that I've kind of collected over the years because I thought I was gonna do more like a purple layout, but we'll kind of see how it ends up. And then I will grab some stickers that I think I might use. These ones, I cannot remember where I got these from, but they're so cute. I think that's why I kind of have stayed away from like Plan With Me or crafting videos, because my craft stash is big and I just don't remember where everything is from. But I can tell you that these stickers right here are from Recollections from Michael's. Usually that's where I get my stickers from. And then these ones, I just thought they were so cute because they're pink, purple, little peachy color, so adorable. So I'll just kind of grab whatever I think will inspire me and I just kind of work as I go. I don't really have a specific idea in my head, but usually the first thing that I do is I will add some washi tape. Me personally, I like adding the washi tape on the inside of the pages, and then I will just clean it up by cutting the ends off. And then I also like to hole punch the holes. That way the tape stays on easier, and then when I'm flipping it through my binder, it's not gonna come off or anything like that. As cute as the speckled tape is, I kind of just wanted to add a little bit of something else to it. It laid a little too flat for me, so I added this pink washi tape that I got. It says All Hallows Eve. It has like these cute little skulls on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm also adding some of this baby pink tape to the side. I got that from Michael's as well. I know that I'm going to be adding some of my Valentine's little scraps to it, and then I'm going to be adding spooky touches just to give it a spooky overall feel, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and start working with these corners. As you can see, I feel like it's the easiest because you kind of are working on a frame, like the base of your project, and then you can add all of the fun stuff. I can't tell you how many times I will see what a certain little piece looks like in this corner or that corner. I never know what I'm doing until I do it, but here I'm just layering. I will say, if you think you're not crafty, definitely layer things. It does help. And the sticker sheet is new. I can tell you where I got that. I got that from Target this year. I was sending some cute little Valloween happy mail to my Patreon supporters. So if you guys are on my Patreon, let me know if you got your little Valloween postcard, if you're part of the Halloween happy mail tier. Hope they made it to you, and I hope they warmed your hearts. So here I'm just adding some hearts, and then I'm also gonna layer some little mini hearts here. And then with these stickers, they are like a glitter embellishment, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add these. Super simple, super easy to add. They're like super thick and glittery. I don't know if you can see how glittery they are, but these are like one of my favorite sticker sheets that I use. Those are from Recollections. I can't tell you what year because my friend got them off of eBay. She got like a ton of them, and she was so kind to give those to me. So here I'm just adding a few little banners. This one says "Be Mine" and this one says "For You." I went ahead and added some square stickers on the side, if you can see. Usually with this layout, with the monthly layout, I'll put my notes to the side, but for January, I didn't really use that section for notes, so I went ahead and just covered it with stickers, just because I knew most of my writing was gonna be on the actual weekly layout. And I am obsessed with these coffin stickers. They're like this pretty metallic lilac. Oh, I just love them so much. And so as you can see, like that "For You" sticker, it literally does not look spooky when it's on the Valentine sticker sheet, but adding a ghost in the middle, adding a coffin to the side, like look how spooky that is. So another thing that you can do is you can outline. And I like doing this on any stickers that kind of just aren't popping to me. I will outline them with like a fun color that I'm using on that theme. And I do this just so it kind of brings it up from the page, brings in more color, and it's just not gonna lay as flat. I feel like I have to like doodle on the pages or do outlining of some sort. It's kind of therapeutic. And then I mentioned that I went ahead and put the dated stickers on before, but I just went ahead and traced those as well. So I had these little tassels that I got from Target a long time ago, and they came on these little rings. I wanted to see if I could make an embellishment for a paper clip for this month's spread, and I just went ahead and put that on the paper clip. I didn't really like how it was floppy like that. I just went ahead and jammed my paper clip through it because I knew it would be more stable and it would have more structure to it. And look at how cute it is. I don't know, I love this baby pink. It's so adorable. Yes, that looks a lot better. So here I have these embellishments. Let me know which one you would choose, but I have these little witch boots. So cute. Has like some pink on there, yellow and purple. Then I have a few other ones that I can't decide on. I have like this little witch hat. It's like a nice little lilac color. I thought that was pretty cute, but I didn't like the color of the tassel for this theme. And then I really liked this little skull, but I just felt like the hot pink was a little too much for the vibe that I was going for. I feel like it's either going to be these boots that I use or this little sparkly pumpkin embellishment. And I thought that this is so cute. I just love that it's very like glitzy. I think I'm gonna go with this pumpkin, and I'm just gonna stick it on here since it has adhesive on the back. I'm gonna see how this looks. Ooh, that is so cute. I'm probably gonna hot glue that pumpkin just so it stays. So here are my pages, you guys. Here is the February spread, my February layout. Isn't it so cute? Like, oh my goodness, it is just making my spooky heart flutter. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do like a Valloween theme for the pockets. I think I might do that on Instagram, so go follow me over there if you're interested. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valloween. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I inspired you to use your planner a little bit more. I got a lot of comments that you guys are going to use your planner a little bit more by adding some Halloween touches to it, so that makes me so happy. But I hope you guys are doing well. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!